Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 16th of January 2023. Welcome back to the new Monday and the new video. So here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty Jan future and Bank Nifty January future. So whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Alright, cool. So now let us get started. So also, by the way, I would also like to tell you that I am traveling, and that's the reason why I haven't made the weekly currency report, and also I could not post the video as at the earliest. It's been over 48 hours that I have been continuously moving from here and there. So yeah, I will be starting as soon as possible. All right. So the Nifty January future with today's previous closing is at 18,025. Today's open is at 18,051. High is at 18,097. Low is at 17,896. 86. All right. So I'll just take you on a 3 minutes time frame in Nifty January future and then show you how the market has been performing. So the market closed around here on the Friday-ish level, and after closing the market over here on Friday level, the market opened really gap up really well. It opened gap up, and after opening the gap up, the market went up high till here, but could not hold its resistance at the top, and from there the market started to fall. Post falling, the market started to fall and then fall below this level at 17,982. And post falling that, the market slightly recovered, tried to recover, but slightly failed over here. And after being failed, the market went on to take the support number 2, which was at 17,920. Also tried to touch this support number 3, but it slightly failed, and after failing, and it just went halfway from there, took a support and touched 17,944. All right, so if I come back to 30 minutes time frame and then see how the market has been performing, this has taken a new it has been creating a lower lows, which also means that the market, there are chances of the market to keep on falling further. If not, the market might strongly recover from here, as at the bottom, if we see these two lines, it has been creating higher highs, and we can expect on the higher side 18,300 to be coming, and on the bottom side we can expect approximately this level, which is 17,650 ish level, to be coming very soon. All right, so now let us move to the Bank Nifty January future. The previous close here is at 42,500, open is at 42,633, high is at 42,805, low is at 42,196. All right, so here we shift on a 3 minute time frame, and after shifting to 3 minutes time frame, the market opened gap down below over here at 42,480ish level. This was the closing. Today the market opened here at this point, and after opening the market, it started to go up high on below this level at and it went to keep on going high at 242,800 ish and above level. After that, the market continued slightly to go below to the support number 1. That's the support number 1, but thought that it might recover, but somehow it failed and broke the resistance and broke the support level and went further down to touch the support number 2 after being there, and then went back up again, continued in a straight way line to touch the support number 3 and break the support number 3 to cover and make a new low. From there it bounced back in order to create a higher lows, and after creating the higher lows, it went below at the day's lows, which is even broken support number 5, and after breaking that, the Bank Nifty closed at 42,290. If I go back and take you on a 30 minutes time frame, the Bank Nifty looks really well off. Okay, I don't see any higher lows pattern, but I do see that I don't see any lower high risk pattern, but I do see that higher highs has been created over here, and we can expect in the coming weeks 42,800 to be coming on the higher side. Lower side we can expect 41,800 to be coming very soon. So yeah, let's see how the market might perform, and we'll get to know within the week. All right, so well, thank you so much for staying up until here. I'll see you in tomorrow's post market reports. Take care and good night. Thank you.